Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel.
What have you become? That's what you've been.
Today I have a girly haul. Are you surprised? I'm not. This haul is kind of related to a haul I did previously, which is my spoiled princess girly haul type thing. I wanted to do another one of those types of videos, girly luxury pieces that are still very affordable, but it just gives you like that luxury feel, if you know what I mean. So you don't have to spend a ton of money to spoil yourself and get some cutesy luxury things. Yeah, I don't see that a lot on here on YouTube, so I hope that you enjoy, and I hope that you can take inspo from this. But yeah, so I'm gonna be hauling from TJ Maxx, Macy's. I have a Gucci bag to show you that was gifted to me, and then also Sephora. Let's get right into it. I don't have highlight on today, and I went a little bit lighter on the blush and like did more bronzy for summer, and I love it. So let's get through this haul because I want to go outside. It's 80 degrees, so yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna start off with the Gucci bag first. So here is the box, so cute. So when you order your bag, it's gonna come in a dust bag as always. The seller is so super sweet. Attention to detail. You really put love into your purchase, which I love and appreciate as well. All right, let's get into it. So we already got through the box portion. I don't always keep my bags in a dust bag, but if you're traveling or if you're moving, like when I moved, these dust bags came in handy, let me tell you. But yeah, so are you ready for the bag reveal? It is so it's giving girly luxury, like pretty girl, that girl. Ta-da! Here is the bag. She's so cute. And then everything is wrapped, so I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap everything and give you a more, like, give you an idea of what she's actually supposed to look like. Okay, so I just assembled her, and the straps are a little wavy right now because she was like packed, you know, packed in the dust bag and in the box. These will probably straighten out over time. Yeah, this is what she looks like. I just added the little Gucci tag on her, and you can adjust the straps to however you want to wear her or however long you want them to be. But this is a tote bag, so you can use her as a shoulder bag. Obviously you would probably want to adjust the straps to fit your shoulder, of course, and I like that the monochromatic pink. I think she's stunning. One of my friends here on YouTube also has a bag pretty similar, and it has like a different texture. Absolutely beautiful. I wouldn't mind having that one too, I'm not gonna lie. I think she's so pretty and so girly, and I love a little tote, you know, little tote moment. So yeah, I like her and I can't wait to use her. Here's what she looks like up close. It's a very soft leather, and I like the inside too. It's all pink in the inside. It has like this magnet that just snaps closed, and it's very strong. In the inside you get a zipper, and it says Gucci right there. She's pretty spacious. I could fit my iPad in here and everything else I might need. So if you want to twin with me this spring with this super cute bag, then you can find all the details down below, and if there's a coupon code, I will include that too. I won't get any commission from the coupon code. It is a gift for you girlies to enjoy so that you can treat yourself to something cute and luxury as well. So that is the bag. She's so pretty. I'm just gonna put her here so we can all look at her. So cute. She's so cute. She matches my shirt, and that wasn't intentional. Okay, so moving on. All right, next I'm gonna be hauling from TJ Maxx. I did find this juicy bag on TJ Maxx's website, so I just literally took her out of the plastic. So this is the Juicy Tail Velour shoulder bag with charm in the color Sandstone. So here's what she looks like. She's so pretty. She's so much bigger than what I thought she was gonna be, because when I saw the price, I was like, I feel like Juicy shoulder bags are literally never that pricey, but she was $24.99 if I remember correctly, which is still a fair price. I mean, she's a nice sized shoulder bag, and I think she's absolutely beautiful. And she does have a little pocket here in the back, and yeah, she's super spacious. And I already told you girlies, I am obsessed with the Sandstone color story. It is my absolute favorite. I think I have purchased so many juicy bags with this color story, like I don't even care. It's just my favorite. So if I switch a bag, it's not really different, but it is. I don't know. She's just so cute. She's so cute, you guys. And I love the quilted design as well. So yeah, there's a few other styles of the Juicy Tail shoulder. There's the pink and black one, and then the green and pink one. I saw this one and I grabbed her so quick because I have been having a hard time finding this one in store. So yeah, I'm so glad I got her. She's so pretty. I guess I'm not done buying Juicy because obviously I gave into this one, but it's okay. It's okay. I purchased this. These are so hard to find. I have gotten my hands on the Chanel little book in the past. I hauled her quite some time ago, and ever since then I was like, I want to collect all my favorite designer books. So on the back it shows Chanel, which I already have. I want the Dior one, the Gucci one, and probably, yeah, the next three other than this one. There is a Hermes one as well. You can find them in store. Online they usually sell out really quickly, but this is called Little Book of Louis Vuitton, the story of the iconic fashion house, and the author is Karen Homer. And I just like to have these books on display. Louis Vuitton is one of my favorite designers. I do have quite a bit of the bags. Here's the introduction page. So you could actually read this. Oh, that's beautiful. Stunning. So yeah, I definitely want to get my hands. Oh, Marc Jacobs. Wonder why they talk about Marc Jacobs. Interesting. I love that print bag. Yeah, so you can actually read this. It is a real book. I almost got that bag and then I changed my mind last minute. I forgot what bag I opted for instead of that one, but anyways, I think this is so cute and so fun, and I will actually read it. It's a good read, is it not? Like, this is so cute. Moving on to Macy's. I went there to look for shoes for the wedding that I will be attending. So when you see this video, if I don't respond to your comments right away, just know it's because I'm not being rude. I am at a wedding. I'm going to my best friend's wedding. It is this week, so last minute shopping. I wanted to find a specific style shoe, was unsuccessful, so I'm gonna hold on to I'm gonna end up wearing the ones that I originally chose. They're comfortable, but I wanted something with a little more pizzazz, but it's okay. I only picked up one thing, so I did stop by the Chanel counter and I picked up this Rouge Coco Gloss. It's a moisturizing glossomer and it's in the shade Rose 804. So here's the box. I recently did a Chanel makeup haul, I think a month ago, and I just uploaded a little snippet of it on TikTok. But here is what the gloss looks like. She looks super bright. I swatched all of them at the counter, by the way, but this one here specifically, she's just a super cute light pink, baby pink. If you can see, mostly sheer, but you know, here, I don't know, I think she's really pretty and she's just cute to have, you know. Pull out the little Chanel lip gloss. Did I buy her mostly for the aesthetic? Yes. Why am I gonna lie? I did. I absolutely did. Last but not least, I stopped into Sephora. I didn't do a huge haul, okay? The main reason why I went to Sephora was to get a birthday gift card for my son's friend's birthday party. So they are having a sale though. They're having a sale, but I don't really care for the sale because I don't really need anything. So firstly, I did end up giving in and picking up the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm, the little super little mini one. Did I need it? No, but I was waiting in the longest line ever. I went to Sephora on a Saturday, which I never do. But I needed a gift card. I didn't know what else to get her, and she loves Sephora. So yeah, so this was in the little, you know, area when you're waiting in line, and I just was like, you know what, F it. How cute is she though? She's this cutest little tiny highlights. Oh my gosh, look at that. Stunning. If you know me, you know I used to use this every single day, but just to have the cutesy little mini one to put in my purse, I love mini anything, so this is so freaking cute. I do have the big one, but the mini I just needed to. I don't care. I ended up having a lot of points that I didn't really realize. So I picked up this item here. This is a bag charm designed exclusively for Sephora, and it's Sephora X Bubble Bar. So if you didn't know, Bubble Bar, whatever. They make the cutest keychains. I mostly know them by their like Disney keychains, but this, when I saw this, I was like, can I get that? She's like, you have enough points. And I was like, oh, okay. So she's so freaking heavy, but look at, dude, is this like the cutest keychain or what? It's just a pretty glittery red lipstick. This is so well made. It was 250 points, I believe, but yeah, girl, I am obsessed. I like that it has this opening so you don't have to like break a nail, and then it also has this giant clasp too, and it's so heavy. And then look, it has the Sephora stripes at the bottom. so freaking cute. I needed to have it. They had another style and it was lips, and I was like, you know what, I like this one. So I was like, let's spend some points today. Why not? She's so cute, and I love that it's gold. So I don't know what bag to put this on, but like, come on now, that is so cute, you know. So yeah, very cutesy haul. It was kind of short, please forgive me. Thank you for watching and thank you for being here. If you like this look, I can do a makeup tutorial on it if you want. But other than that, I got a wedding to go to, so much preparation the rest of the week. I gotta edit this video and have it ready for you girlies for Thursday. And yeah, like I said, if I don't respond to you girlies right away, I am at a wedding and I will definitely respond whenever I can. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Why wish me luck? I'm just a bridesmaid. But anyways, I love you girlies so much. Thank you for being here and for watching, and I'll see you in my next girly video. Bye.
Can we get it together?